feel like my lighting looks weird. Hi, I'm so excited for today's video because it's gonna be a little bit different. I don't know if you have seen this video going around. Jaime French, who she's actually here on YouTube, she posted a video of herself doing like a small face makeup look. I will post the video, I'll post the link so that you can go watch it. You have to go watch it. I was dying laughing, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, okay, yep, I'm gonna have to try that for myself. So I'm gonna get started. And yeah, wish me luck. I already did my foundation and my bronzer, and we'll just do the rest. But I'm gonna start with the nose first. And I'm gonna make a little nose on my nose. First of all, my nose is so itchy. Oh. All right, here I go. I have never tried to do anything like this before. So we will see how this goes. I'm gonna start up here, like on the inside corner of my eyebrow, and I'm just gonna take a contour shade and I'm just gonna start making my new nose. Maybe I should zoom you in. Okay. So there's like the bridge of my nose, yes, I think. Now I will make my nostrils. You know, I'm just gonna go for it. I am not gonna overthink this one. I'm just gonna do it. So we're just gonna do like a general nose shape. See if a more precise brush works for this. Okay, I think there's my guideline for a nose. I'm gonna go in with a black shadow, and I'm going to just define the nose a bit. Okay, it's getting a bit messy here. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Okay, so that black eyeliner was way too intense, so I'm actually just gonna take it off. I think it was looking better before with just the eyeshadow, but I wanted to define it a little bit more, but that was like really intense and kind of took away the whole look. So, yay. That's super fun. I love when I have to take off makeup. I love that so much. Okay, we'll try this again. Okay, we're getting there, I think. Okay, and then she put shadow kind of like right here to bring all this down. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, then she moved on to the cupid's bow. So we're just gonna make a little cupid's bow, hopefully, right there. Maybe a tiny bit darker. Now I'm gonna highlight my cupid's bow. Now she went in and she highlighted the upper lip area. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna highlight all of this. Okay, now for the lips, which is terrifying. But I'm gonna see if I could just like make a general outline of the lips, and then I will go in and like make them more precise later. So let's see if this works. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I do have an outline of a mouth, or a top lip, I should say. Then we're gonna go underneath and draw a lop. Okay, I have my outline done now. I can't tell how it looks. I think the only way I can tell if it turned out is if I just go ahead and do the black eyeliner. So we're just gonna outline these lips and see how it goes. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna fill in my lips with lipstick. I think that's too bright. I'm gonna do what she did. I'm gonna use red because I just like the way that the red looks. So we're just gonna go for this right now. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, all right. I'm gonna do my eyes really quick and then we'll finish up this look. All right, so I think I'm actually gonna try to do lashes today. She put lashes on her video and I just feel like it really made a huge difference in the look. So I'm going to try to do that today. Lashes are a struggle for me, so we will see if this is, you know, goes well or not. Who knows? I know if I practice more with lashes, then I would get better at them. But the thing is, like, the thought of having to actually practice with them never appeals to me. I feel like if they look good enough, like if you're not gonna be up close and inspecting them, then that's fine. That's all I ask for, really. It'd be cool if they were like perfect, but ugh. All right. That's good enough. I don't really care anymore. I'm just gonna blend them in with my regular lashes. Just put a little bit of mascara on. Well, that's as good as it's gonna get. Right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna call the eyes done because I'm done. I'm over it. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my face. I'm just gonna put on some blush really quick. Watery eye made the inner corner all crusty. Oh well. This eyeball is not happy. I don't understand what is going on. Okay, this is where we're at for right now. I'm gonna go get a turtleneck and then we're gonna see how this looks with a turtleneck. Hi, I'm Charlotte. Nice to meet you. I'm starving, but nothing will fit up my mouth hole except for a green onion. I love green onion. I am so thirsty. Ugh. Come here. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I woke him up from his nap for that, and he's mad at me. Okay, you guys, I think that's it for this video. This is like so ridiculous. It's so funny. Thanks to Jaime French for the inspiration for this video. It was a lot of fun to film and more fun to play around with afterwards. So if you guys tried this look out, please tag me. I would love to see other people's looks for this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. It's fine. I don't know. Okay. Oh my god. Why? If I thought my eyes were watering before, they weren't.